Hello all, I am going to give you details of a mergers and acquisitions scoring model. Mergers and acquisitions have been driver in corporate strategy with an objective of achieving inorganic growth. While billions of dollars are spent and thousands of M&A transactions and deals occur every year, the success of these deals has been limited, especially in terms of financial benefits. Most of the M&A studies focus on post-deal performance and conclude that either the deal is successful or it is a failure. However, one needs to have a quantitative model that captures all aspects of the deal prior to getting into the deal to estimate the probability of success. After a thorough review of literature, we have arrived a model that takes care not only the financial synergies but also HR, cultural, geographical, macroeconomic synergies. So, with the help of all the factors that are determining the success or failure of a deal, we have categorized all these synergies into 5 major groups, and under each synergy there are sub factors which will help us to identify and quantify the extent of impact of these factors on the successfulness of the deal. So after arriving at all these determinant synergy sub-factors, an algorithm is developed wherein each of these sub-factors and factors are given maximum weightage. And before the deal is going to happen, the financial due diligence, legal and other due diligence occurs, and with that information, this model is filled with the respective scores, and the actual score for each of these transactions is arrived at, and this score will give the management or the leadership to study the probability of success of this particular deal. So based on the synergy level scores for each of the synergy and the total score also, there is a possibility to recalibrate the factors and sub-factors that will increase or decrease the probability of success. So based on the estimated score, one can decide whether to go ahead with the deal or to drop the deal or to recalibrate and look at the deal which will make the deal successful. So this model has been also applied for past deals around 150 to 200 deals, and it was also back tested, in other words, and that is how it was very useful tool for the top leadership or the CFO or CEO who are dealing with the mergers and acquisitions portfolio. So we hope that this model is useful, and we are happy to help you in implementing this model at your respective organizations.